Okay, so that's in
36th place.
It's number 48. It's Lucas Auer. This is the car that's had so many problems. Daniel Morad was hit, minding his own business, and had to limp back early in the race. It was leading the race in the hands of this driver, Lucas Auer. He's just exited La Source. Was he hit again, or one fears there may have been a bit of contact? Who's diving up the inside? Well, oh well, that is really, really unfortunate. It's an AF course of Ferrari.
Is that 52?
Wait for it, wait for it.
Yellow, 10 seconds.
It's car 77, it's the Kessel Racing Ferrari, and you've really got to feel for Lucas Auer. He would already dropped down because of various reasons, but he was the innocent party there.
Full course yellow now.
So 74 Kessel Racing Ferrari, do we think? Or 71?
Oh, 71, it was one of the AF Corsa ones.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry, Kessel Racing.
No,
and it was
way
David Vidal is in 19th place, dived up the inside and gave a massive crack into Lucas Auer. Lucas's Mercedes sitting at the side of the circuit forlornly, but going nowhere. Oh, golly.